Welcome, this is Dr. Sidana, Lung Docs of Connecticut. I've always been someone who's looked at wanting to do private practice to be able to take care of my patients in the way that I would like to take care of them and to provide them good quality care. And that's essentially what the primary motivation for doing this was. And this is something which has worked out well over the years. We've had excellent patient feedback. We've actually been a very successful practice in the area, and we've had great feedback from our peers also in this regards, and that's why this practice keeps growing. I've been in practice now for over 8 years. It is a pulmonary critical care practice along with sleep medicine as well as allergy medicine. So we have a 4-bed sleep lab, 2 beds in this location and 2 beds in our sister location in Norwalk, Connecticut.
How does EMR technology help your medical practice?
EMR technology helps medical practices significantly. The biggest thing it does is it makes the practices a lot more mobile. If we have 3 different locations, 10 years back or 5 years back also, we would be lugging paper charts location to location. If a patient showed up and said, geez, I knew you guys were here today, I just don't feel well today, we would be calling our home office to get charts and papers faxed over to us while the patient was waiting. Now we have complete flexibility of seeing these patients anytime. Me personally as a provider, I have flexibility to be able to access these charts even when I'm not in the office and be able to complete and make sure my paperwork is all done. It's made my life easier in the sense that if I have a patient calling in for a prescription over the weekend, I can actually check their medical records, make sure they don't have any allergies to the medications I want to prescribe, make sure it's safe for them, and then be able to do my job in a much better, efficient manner.
How has OmniMD helped you in your practice?
What we've seen with OmniMD has been the fact that we look at it as a teamwork and as a partnership, and that is the greatest asset that OmniMD has. The very fact that we can pick up the phone and call OmniMD and have a live person at the other end, actually helping us not just with a primary issue for which I might have called, but for anything else that I might need. Things get done in a very fast and efficient manner. People are extremely responsive with OmniMD, and it is a very robust EMR system, and it's one of the few systems which actually allows us to have access to all our records and databases remotely on the cloud, and that adds to a great degree of flexibility to what we are seeking from an EMR system in the first place.
And then a deep breath in. Good. All right. Great.
We also hope to serve you in person at any of our locations in the future.